Has compros this boy slash and welcome back to another video. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a checkpoint. So without further ado, let's get started. So this is the basic game till now is kinda basic, and this is the sprite of the checkpoint. It has no collider or any script attached to it. So how do we make a checkpoint? So first we need to create a vector 2 and the public transform for player. Then whenever the player enters the game object collider, it will set the values of the vector 2 to the player position. So if our player touches the checkpoint, it stores our player position in x and y coordinates. Then we're gonna create a method that will do the same thing we did earlier but in inverse. And at last when we die, we are gonna execute that method. So this means if our player dies by any cost, we will respawn him back in. Create a script called checkpoint. Inside the script, delete the first two using text and then delete the start method. Create a public transform named player and a private vector 2 called savePose. Add a on trigger enter to the method. And check if the object is touching our player. If true, set the savePose to the player's position. Now delete the update method and create a method named point. Inside point, set the player position to savePose. Now in the movement script, check if the player dies or falls out of the wall. If that's the case, locate our checkpoint script through the find object of type and execute the point method. Now the coding part is done. Inside Unity, add a circle collider to the checkpoint game object and turn on is trigger. Go to our player game object and set its tag to the player tag. Now drag the player transform in our checkpoint script. Now as you see, if you die, you will teleport back to the checkpoint. So that's it for today. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.